What does negligence mean? Negligence means failing to take proper care or attention in a situation where responsibility is required. In simple words, negligence means carelessness that can cause harm or problems. It happens when someone does not act carefully or responsibly. For example, the accident happened because of the driver's negligence. This means the driver did not act carefully. Negligence is often used in legal, medical, and professional situations. For example, a doctor can be charged with negligence if they fail to provide proper treatment. Here are more example sentences. The company was accused of negligence in safety measures. Negligence at work can lead to serious mistakes. Parents should avoid negligence in caring for their children. Negligence can cause damage, injury, or loss if responsibilities are ignored. In simple terms, negligence means not taking proper care when it is required. Easy way to remember. Negligence means careless behavior or a lack of responsibility.